Hey guys, this is Rahul. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO directly from Microsoft's website. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Click on the first link that says Download Windows 11. It should be from the official Microsoft website. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. Under that, click the Select Download drop-down. Choose Windows 11 and then hit the Confirm button. Next, select your preferred language and click Confirm again. Finally, click the 64-bit download button to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO to your computer or laptop. As you can see, the download has started. It took me around 17 minutes to finish, but it might be faster or slower for you depending on your internet speed. Just make sure not to close your browser while it's downloading, otherwise it will stop. Once the download is complete, go to your download location. As you can see, the Windows 11 ISO file is right here. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you download the official Windows 11 ISO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.